from micron work all. Oh, fuck. Sorry.
Am I on camera right this second? How about now?
Steve, we know you, but can you say your first name, surname, and spell it for us, please, for the editor?
Yeah, for the editor, because I know he's a bit dull, but my name is Steve Finn.
Cool, cool, cool. You ready? You look like you're gonna. Palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy.
Yeah, mum's spaghetti.
Okay, ready? Okay. Oh.
Man. Alright, so if that video just shaked, it's because Rowan patted me on the shoulder, so he ruined that shot. Let's scrap that. Scrap the day, I'm going home.
Chris is a cameraman. You should be able to make
Wait,
it
delete that.
And then we can go, okay. Takumi Precision.
Wow, wow. Oh, too many wows.
On this week's Swarf and Chips, we are here at Southern Manufacturing 2010. I'm done. This week on Swarf and Chips, we are at Southern Manufacturing. I love my job. This week on Swarf and Chips, we are at Southern Manufacturing 2023. So tune in 6 o'clock to take a tour around with us. That was
Is really test your cutting tools to their limits.
If you want to get more, I mean, how many machining demos have we got?
2. We need the welding
Friction
one.
stir.
I can't.
What's all this about? What are you doing?
Just having fun.
What are you doing?
Oh, who put these on?
What was that?
Me?
Shrinking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy. Have you eaten yet? You eaten lunch?
No.
Lunch will be the reward.
Just say to the microphone.
Microphone.
Okay.
I got my pen. I got my pineapple. Pineapple pen.
And I'm not very good on camera, so I'm out of here.